The current time is 3:04 p.m. Central Standard Time.
At 3 p.m. in the Twin Cities, snow and fog were reported. The visibility was 1/4 of a mile. It was 26 degrees, or -3 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 22. The relative humidity was 84%. The wind was northeast at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 25. The wind chill was 13. The pressure was 29.76 inches and falling. Around the metro, temperatures were between 25 and 28 degrees. Snow was falling at Blaine, Lakeville, and Lake Elmo. At St. Paul, snow and fog were reported. At Eden Prairie, snow and fog were reported. Around the state, at Rochester, freezing rain was falling, with a temperature of 28. At International Falls, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 16. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 26 at St. Cloud, and 22 at Brainerd. At Duluth, snow and fog were reported, with a temperature of 18. Across the Dakotas, at Fargo, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 14. At Sioux Falls, freezing rain and snow were reported, with a temperature of 26. In Iowa, at Mason City, freezing rain was falling, with a temperature of 32. At Des Moines, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 45. Around Wisconsin, temperatures were between 28 and 33 degrees. At Eau Claire, snow was falling. At Milwaukee, rain was falling. At Madison, it was cloudy. Once again at 3 p.m. in the Twin Cities, it was 26 degrees. The wind chill was 13, with snow and fog.
Very heavy snow and increasing winds to impact the area. As much as 5 to 8 inches of snow accumulated in just a few short hours this morning in south-central Minnesota in areas such as Albert Lee, OWATONA, Mankato, New Ulm, and St. James. Heavy snow is spreading north and expanding into the Eau Claire area, the Twin Cities metro and areas from Hutchinson to WILLMAR to Montevideo. A blizzard warning is in effect until noon Monday for areas west of the line from Alexandria to WILLMAR, to New Ulm in Minnesota. Winter storm warnings are in effect for the remainder of the southern half of Minnesota, and portions of central Minnesota as well as west central Wisconsin until noon Monday. Snow will continue to expand north this afternoon across central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. By evening, much of southern and central Minnesota as well as west central Wisconsin should see snow accumulations of 6 inches or more. Snow will continue tonight and into Monday, and will be heavy at times, especially across central Minnesota and western Wisconsin. South central Minnesota will see some sleet or freezing rain mixed with the snow this afternoon. Northeast winds will increase this afternoon and remain gusty into Monday, which will cause blizzard conditions across much of west central Minnesota then toward Mankato and New Ulm. Blowing snow will also be a problem across the remainder of the area, contributing to low visibility. The heaviest snowfall accumulations will be in the 10 to 15 inch range from west central Minnesota around Montevideo toward the Twin Cities to near Eau Claire. Areas of central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin, north of a line from Morris to St. Cloud to Ladysmith, can expect 6 to 10 inches. 6 to 10 inch snow totals will also be common in south central Minnesota. This blast of wintry weather is due to a strong low-pressure area moving from southeast Nebraska to Des Moines this evening and then into northern Illinois tonight. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Rest of today, snow developing late morning. Areas of blowing and drifting snow in the afternoon. Snow may be heavy at times. New snow accumulation of 6 to 8 inches. Highs around 30. Northeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, breezy, snow. Areas of blowing and drifting snow. Snow accumulation of 4 to 5 inches. Lows around 15. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Washington's birthday, cloudy. Patchy blowing and drifting snow in the morning. Snow likely in the morning, then a chance of snow in the afternoon. Snow accumulation up to 1 inch. Storm total snow accumulation of 13 to 15 inches. Highs around 20. Northeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Monday night, colder. Partly cloudy. Lows around 0. East winds 10 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 20. Lows around 15. Wednesday and Wednesday night, not as cool. Mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows around 20. Thursday and Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s. Lows around 5. Friday and Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow. Highs around 15. Lows around 5. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Highs around 20. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for the rest of today: snow developing late morning. Areas of blowing and drifting snow in the afternoon. Snow may be heavy at times. New snow accumulation of 6 to 8 inches. Highs around 30. Northeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour.